Guys, welcome once again. Today we are talking about a theme called Travivu. I hope I am pronouncing it correct. Travivu. If not, that's okay. So let's come on the point. So this is a travel and tour booking theme. So if you need a theme like that, please purchase it from real GPL. There are other themes also. Like if I just search travel, then themes like Torum, okay, or Travelo or Traveler or WP travel WP, all that can be used. Okay, so in case if required, buy it and download it. So I'm going to download it first. Yes, so I am downloading, and after that I will install and show you guys the steps involved for demo installation. So one of a gentleman from Poland named Michael J. Torres T has purchased this theme, and that too with lifetime license. So let's install it. Okay, and because this video will be beneficial for each and everyone who will buy and install, and if any help required in that case. And although we have support ticket, we have chat support, we have WhatsApp support, you can use all of this. Okay, all of this. Now coming here, going to WordPress, appearance, themes, add theme, upload theme, source file. Then I will go to the theme. First of all, I will unzip it. Okay, always unzip in case of themes. Sometimes like maybe in 1 or 2 times, in 100 times, not required, but always unzip and check. So it is unzipped. Inside this we have sample files, which is slider, and then we have child and parent theme. So I'm going to install the parent theme first. Open, install now. While it is getting installed, just wanted to let you know that we also offer membership plans in case if you want to download multiple items at once, like 5 themes, 5 plugins in a day. Choose a membership plan which will cost you very less. For example, this super saver, which is valid for 6 months, you can download 15 items per day. Okay, and in case if you need original licenses, we do have that 200 plus, like Elementor Pro, Elementor add-ons, Astra and all. I have given the link of both this membership plan and the license in the membership in the description. Please follow it and check it what all we are offering. Now coming back here, it's install, going to themes again, same process, add, upload, and this time I will select the child theme. Open. If child theme is available, always activate the child theme. You can search on ChatGPT on YouTube why it is important to have a child theme. Now same process like we do in other themes. Begin installing plugins, select all, install, apply. So this will install all the required plugins which is needed to import a demo for this theme. Let's wait for it to get it installed first. On our site, we also offer different currencies. So like INR, USD, Euro, Pound, and then Turkish Lira. In case any other currency required, let us know, we'll add that, but I think this 5 currency is enough as of now. Okay, so almost all plugins are installed. They are total 12 in number. Yes, last one is getting installed, which is WooCommerce. Okay, all installations have been completed. I'm going to install plugin section once again to activate all the plugins. Activate, apply. This will activate all the plugins. Once done, we'll go to dashboard once and we'll try to find out the demo import section. Dashboard. And in case if Elementor Pro is required, we do offer that with license, which you can purchase from here. Okay, So in this, everything will work like auto updates, all templates, except the AI feature, which requires additional purchase. I'm going to theme settings and then demo importer. Okay, just one demo called main. So I'm going to click on import demo and okay, this will import the demo. It might take some time, so we have to wait until then. It says no, you see, please wait. So we have to wait. Also wanted to let you know that in case if any video required, okay, you can let us know through chat or support ticket or WhatsApp. Okay, we'll always reply to a query. It might take some time in midnight, but yes, in daytime we'll reply as soon as possible. Okay, so it took around 6 to 7 minutes to complete this demo, and okay, you can see now it says imported. And if I check the website once again, everything is coming. I'm going to the all destination page, working fine, tour types working fine, opening any tour like adventure. Yep, so everything seems good. So in case if you need this theme, please purchase and install it as demonstrated. Thank you very much. I will see you soon.